Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to delete a RedNote account. So in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone and navigate to the RedNote application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you're going to click on the three-lined icon at the top left of the screen. Now, you will see these options. We'll have to click on the settings icon at the bottom left. Now, when you click on settings, it will open up this page. Here, you're going to click on the account security button at the top. Now, after navigating to account security, you'll have to click on the account cancellation button available at the bottom. It will bring you to this page. On this page, you'll have to basically make sure that this is your real number. Now, after checking that it is your number, click on this button and it will send a code to your number. Now, you'll have to basically copy and paste that code here. Just note your code down, paste it here and click on this button. When you click on this button, it will take you to the next page where you'll have to just click on this small circular icon here, then click on this red button. After you click on this red button, you would have successfully deleted your RedNote account. So that is a simple way to delete your RedNote account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.